Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we have got a new update from DJI FLY App, that is version 1.9.1. So far we were using version 1.9.0 and we knew that the hack was working fine on that particular version. In this version we'll be checking out what's new and whether the hack will be working fine or not. And as you are able to see on the screen that we also have received a new firmware update for DJI Mini 2, and even the RC controller has the new update. But in this video we'll be not updating any firmwares, we'll be only updating the app version. So guys, here on the screen you can see that our current app version is 1.9.0 and I have kept the latest version in the downloading in the background. So we will be updating it to the 1.9.1. So here aircraft version and firmware will not be upgrading. So once the download is complete, you will be receiving something like this. You have to click on update and it would take few seconds to get the resources and get the DJI FLY App updated on your phone. So guys, here our DJI FLY App has been updated to the latest version, and if you guys ask me what's new in this particular version, I literally did not find any difference in this particular version. If you go to the photo mode, you get the same 1x 2x zooming. In the video mode, 1x 2x and 3x zooming. And when you talk about the interface is totally same. And when you come to the safety settings, you make sure in the advanced settings you keep the signal loss to the RTH. When you check with the other settings, literally you would not find any difference in this particular update. But as per the DJI has made the DJI FLY App more optimistic and stable. So we believe that with this version the DJI FLY App will not crash even in any scenarios. So now in the safety settings you saw that we have 15 meters of limit. As usual, let's quickly open the rainbow application and try the hack and see whether the 15 meters hack is being applied with this particular version or not. So guys, basically you need to open the rainbow app and unplug your cable and plug it back to your phone, and you have to click on transfer photos if you're using the Android phone. If you're using the iOS phone directly, you no need to disconnect and connect your cable. Just it will get auto connected and you have to click on fly now. Once you enter the rainbow application, you have to go to the settings. In the settings you have to click on the aircraft. Here you will find the max altitude. In the max altitude you will see that it will be set to 15 meters. You have to change it to 500 meters and set it go. Then you have to switch back to the DJI FLY App, and here again if you are using the Android phone you have to unplug and plug your cable to your phone. And once that's done, you have to click on transfer files. You have to click on OK when it asks for the DJI FLY App, and here in the settings you will see that the max altitude will be set to 500 meters. That's cool guys. With this we got a confirmation that our hack is working totally fine with this DJI FLY App version 1.9.1. So guys, without any worries, you guys can update your DJI FLY App to the latest version, that is version 1.9.1. So many of you guys have the confusion that whether we should update the DJI FLY App, whether we should update our firmware, whether we should not do it. So the clear decision is you can update your DJI FLY App. Make sure you're not updating any of your firmware of the drone as well as the RC remote. In the next video I'll also be telling you whether we should update the firmware that we have, and also I'll be telling you the benefits that we are received with the latest DJI firmware, that is RC firmware and the aircraft firmware. So guys, here on the screen you can see that we have reached till 137 meters, and with this I believe that you guys have got the confirmation that hack is working fine with this latest version. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.